Well, when we started our business, we were not the first one, not the only one. We had 33 different competitors. And my banker asked me, what make you think you're going to be different? I said, what make us different is we're going to be a very quality-oriented people. He said, what do you mean? I said, we're going to take care of the customer in a very specific way. We're going to hire the best people, have quality equipment, and we're looking for quality customers. So quality, quality, quality is what we're looking for. He said, you know what? You sound like your accent is on quality. I said, I love that. My accent is on quality.
There was something about the Copy Data Network that just felt right for us. Excellent service. The price was right. They gave me what I needed and they cared about what I needed. That was the most important thing, I think. They weren't trying to sell me what they wanted to move off their showroom floor. They were trying to sell me what I needed. As a result, I'm a loyal customer and now I have 3 more of what I need.
Years ago, we started a networking department with the idea to be able to support our devices and not depend on third party. That has given us an edge over a great deal of our competitors. We have the capability to support technologies like Exchange, Microsoft Windows servers, SQL Server, those technologies that people are using on a daily basis and are using our equipment to integrate with. I think that's what gives us a leg up.
I talked to multiple vendors out there, and the big difference with the Copy Data folks is that they took the time to really analyze our business needs. They didn't try to sell us something we didn't need. They took the time to make sure that whatever the solution was they provided fit exactly what our business needs were.
Time it takes to input a document into a management system is about the same as it would take to put into a paper file. And we don't typically go to customers and say, let's get rid of all your paper. We like to stay on a day forward basis. As of now, you look in the electronic system, that's why we don't have a large back file conversion job to do. And all the speed is made up on the retrieval end. When you need a document instantaneously, it's at your fingertips.
Document management has been able to improve our productivity in several different ways. The number one, we spend a lot less time looking for a document. When it's on your hard drive, on your computer network, if you know one word in that document, you're going to be able to find that document.
The real main thing that we always try to focus on and tell customers is the speed on which you can retrieve documents. It's really getting your hands on those originals, viewing them, printing them, emailing them, or faxing them, and getting on to your next job.
Copy data machines have done a great job of assuming a lot of the human type of work that we used to have to do. Something as simple as taking a piece of paper over to the copier or waiting in line. Now we just send it electronically through our computers and it prints out and it's ready for us, and it folds it, it takes care of everything.
Well, the Copy Data Network has 3 different product lines to pull from. The national companies, on the other hand, they have 1, sometimes 2 to pull from. We can cover anything that the client needs because with the Copy Data Network being a regional type company and our size, we still have national and international business partners in Canon, Konica Minolta, and Sharp that would support the client just as well if they went through a national company.
Not only do I have background in the production print and complex solutions with international companies before I came to Copy Data Network, but there are many other, especially major account sales representatives and account managers that have this same type of experience.
Color is more and more important, and quite often people think they can't afford color, or they think that they can only afford their junky little desktop machine. They don't understand how expensive that is. With the contract I have with the Copy Data Network, we are able to print probably, I'd say, a good 5 times more color pieces than we were able to afford to print before, and that's made a difference in our bottom line.
There's no real reason anymore to be outsourcing. With color color price per page coming down and the color market growing as fast as it is, everyone's going to be color shortly. So one of the first things we do is try to encompass all those numbers together and then show them how to do that themselves.
In the color side, we need to have colors that are as true to life as they can possibly get. And there's a lot of equipment on the market, and when you really get down to it, the output that we've received, we're satisfied with it, and our customers are too. It's a very competitive market, so if we didn't have competitive equipment, we would not be in the position we are today.
The Copy Data Network gives us a lot of peace of mind. If we do have a situation, we can call them and they immediately come on site and take care of it. But we have very rare opportunity to even call them because the equipment works very efficiently.
Usually the equipment go down when you are in the middle of a job. And it's very important for us to be there to fix it for you so you can continue your job. And that's what gives us, when we say the accent is on quality, that's some of the quality that we brag about.
If a machine in the field is having a problem beyond what we can do in the field, we'll bring the machine in, provide the customer with a comparable loaner, something for them to use while we have the machine in the field. Sometimes the problems get very elaborate when you're dealing with some of the electronics of the machines.
The Copy Data Management team has been terrific. Anytime we've had a situation, we have a new employee, or we feel like we don't have the training experience that we require, they're in on site and immediately take care of any problem situation we have.
You could have a copier with us for 2 years, and then all of a sudden in 2 years you have turnover. Well, it's nice for our customers because they can call us up and say, please come back out and retrain our people. So people feel like they really get a lot out of their copiers, and I think that's why many times they keep coming back to us.
Anytime a company is interested in setting up a centralized mailroom or copy center, or may have an existing mailroom or copy center, we can take that over and help them manage that a little bit more effectively.
We just had a small gathering of staff and faculty and students who met with the service team just to identify strengths and weaknesses and how we can continue to improve upon a strong foundation. But we're very pleased. We have a long-term agreement and we don't see any reason to change that right now. We print a variety of things from flyers to posters to brochures, booklets and pamphlets, signage, and we also use them internally for mail service.
We asking you to give us your business because we think we are the best at it. We might not be the cheapest, we might not be the largest, but we are the best. We will take care of you. And our experience being that once you are part of our family, you never leave us again. And remember, at Charlotte Copy Data, the accent is on quality.